Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Little Tikes First Fridge. I bought this for my daughter and she has absolutely loved it. She is a kid that loves to play house and loves to pretend she's a grown-up and do the pretend play. So this is absolutely perfect for her. It does have this little ice dispenser that actually works. It just spits out this ice, and then you can turn on the sound and the lights on the inside, and it does light up. It gives this little like whooshing sound that sounds super cold when you open the doors, which is so cute. And I absolutely just love it. It runs on 3 AA batteries, so it really doesn't take much battery power, and we've never changed them. And she's had this since Christmas, which is at least 5 or 6 months ago, and she plays with it constantly. So it really doesn't use up much battery power. It does have these cute little French doors and then this pull-out freezer right here. I'll show you a close-up in just a second, just so you can see the inside of it a little bit better. It does have these little magnet clips that are secured on here. You can't take them off, but the kids can write their little grocery list. They can color pictures and hang them on their own little fridge, and they are just gonna love it. So give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on the inside, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that you have seen the inside, you can see how spacious it really is. It is 23 inches by almost 16 inches, and then the depth is 11.5. So it's really big. It was so easy to put together. It literally took us less than 10 minutes to assemble it, and it stayed together. We haven't had to fix anything. It's been great. So, like I said, if you have someone in your family, a little kid that loves to play pretend, I think this would be perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.